In this video, I'll show you how to set up an A/B test in Meta Ads Manager. First, sign into your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Create a new campaign or open an existing one that you want to test. Next, enable the A/B test option during campaign setup, or select your existing campaign and choose A/B test from the available options. Then decide what you want to compare, such as different audiences, creatives, placements, or optimization strategies. After that, configure both versions of your campaign. Change only one variable between version A and version B so you can accurately measure which version performs better. Now, set your budget, schedule, and success metric, such as cost per result, conversions, or click-through rate. Review all of your settings, then launch the A/B test. Finally, monitor the results in Ads Manager until the test is complete. Compare the performance of each version and use the winning variation in your future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up an A/B test in Meta Ads Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.